Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you on?
Hey guys, welcome back. So I already primed my face before I started applying foundation. So I'm starting with foundation and I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible and I'm in the color 440. And I'm just going to be applying this with a foundation brush and then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and I'm going to start blending everything out. I'm going to be applying concealer and today I'm going to be using my Colourpop concealer and I'm in the shade 26 and I'm going to be concealing under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, on my chin and on my forehead. No, not on my forehead actually. I was gonna do it but then I said no. Next, I'm going to be applying my Fenty Beauty translucent powder and I'm going to be setting my concealer. I don't know if I love or hate this powder. The reason I love it is because it smells amazing and it doesn't give me any flashback. And the reason I wouldn't like it or I don't like it is because sometimes it leaves my under eye super dry and I mean, who wants to have dry under eye? So yeah, that's the reason I kind of don't like it, but other than that, it's really good. It's a great translucent powder. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using my Shade and Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D. I literally bought this and probably used once and then I just stopped, but in today's video I decided to bring it out and use it again and oh my god, I'm shocked. Like, these bronzers are so smooth and I really love it. Since I'm doing a peachy eye look, I decided to go in with this blush by Milani, which is Luminoso. It's the perfect orange peachy blush and I just love it so much. So I decided to use this today because it went perfect with the makeup. For highlight, I'm going to be using this one right here. I haven't used it in so long. I don't know how long it has been, but today I brought it out again and I'm going to be applying highlight. Okay, so for today's look, I'm going to be using my Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. I am so obsessed with this palette. It's just so beautiful. But the first color I'm going to be applying on my crease is going to be this eyeshadow called Dream Maker. And I'm using my Morphe M441 brush to apply this eyeshadow. After I finish applying that eyeshadow on my crease, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Meadow, and I'm just going to be packing this all over my eyelid. And the brush I'm using is a Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to be applying this gold glitter eyeshadow on the inner corners of my eye. I love this eyeshadow so much because it's gold and it has glitter in it, so that's even better. To finish up this look, I'm going to be setting my makeup. After I finish with that, I am all finished with this makeup tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!